Ya, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so everyone, in here I want to presentation about my planning or my study plan after I graduate in junior high school in Denmark School, and then I want to tell you about my dreams and then my project plan, and then let's start the slide. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Arfani Bria Putrana. I'm from Nancy class. I usually get call in here Arfan HP ya. And then my home in Bandung. Okay, let's start. Before I go to the slides, I want to introduce myself more about me ya. So let's click first. Hey, wait. Okay, so I want to tell you more about me. So my name is Afan Bripsorana, and then my dreams is work in Google. In here, I have many experience, like I teaching in teaching in other countries in Malaysia, and then I ever go to competition with my friend is Danis in Cilegon ya. The competition is creative robot how to making the sensor of light. After that, there is again maybe like this, and then my experience in IDN. The first is I joined the student council IDN BS from 7th grade until now, and then the longest is 1 year 9 months. And then I in period 2024 and then 2025 I in bahasa menjabat sebagai keamanan, and then now I how to say menjabat sebagai bendahara and logistik, and then I ever become the PIC of Eden Open House, and then PIC of August, and then the last is PIC of Classmate. And after that, I ever teaching 8 times in IDM Bond School. The first, like last week, I teach in my old school, that is elementary school of Nur Ar-Rahman. In here, I teach with my 3 parents, that is Bara, Harfi, and Dirham. Like this, I ever teach many times. And then my dreams is work in Google, and then become network engineer. Wait. And then why my future is work in Google, because Google is one of the biggest company in the world. Like the CEO explained that at almost everyone who is offered a job at Google will accept it. And CEO Sundar, the name is Sundar Pichai, mentions the key points that Google considers in recruitment. So in Google there is many requirements if you want to join. But to join Google is very hard because the test is must use English, and then the certificate is must you have IELTS and TOEFL, like that. And then I want to explain first about the Google company, just a little bit. So the full name of the Google company is Google LLC. Indonesia is launching in Indonesia in 2011. And then Google is founded by two brothers. The name is Larry Page and then Sergey Brin in 1998. And then the head in bahasa is pusatnya or headquarters in the Mountain View in California, USA. And then the Indonesia there is in South Jakarta. After that, the in bahasa is jurusan. The field is information technology and internet service. So I want to become network engineer in Google, like that. And then the main products of Google is Google Search. After that, Gmail, YouTube, Android, Google Maps, Google Drive, Chrome, and Cloud, and others you can find in Google. Okay, next. Okay, so after I graduate from here, I have a study plan. So the first is after I graduate from IDN Junior High School, I want to continue in SMKN 1 Cimahi. Because why? Because this is one of the best SMK in Indonesia. And then I want to choose the in bahasa is jurusan is TKJ jaringan. And then my second plan is if I not accept in SMKN Cimahi, I want go to the Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia or SMA Lab School. In SMA Lab School there is 3 type of class. The first is class regular, second is class of bilingual. Bilingual is more prefer to English, and then for the last is Tauhid. Tauhid is like in the end like you study Dinia, and then IT2. And then after I graduate from the vocational high school, my biggest dream is continue to the University of ITB, like that. In ITB maybe I want to choose the bahasa jurusan is ilmu komputer. Maybe that's all from my study plan. And then what I must be prepared from now. For the first is intention or niat, because if you're not intention, we will lazy like that. And then we must prepare for the mentality if we exam in the school. And then we must keep spirit study, like study MTK and then IPA IPS, Bank Indonesia and others. And then we must learn, and then the lazy of course. And then the last is we must trust to Allah and then pray to Allah. Okay, next. And then I already prepared for the material to go to the SMK. The first is Mathematica. I learned from the 7th grade. I already buy the book too. I learned for the basic Mathematica like perkalian, and then in bahasa pertambahan like that. And then I learned from the material from 7th grade until 9th grade. And then now I already learned in 8th grade material. And then the second is IPA. I already learned all of the IPA like there's respiratory of system of human, and then other organ of human, about animals, vegetables, and others. And then the IPS, it's like I learned about history, economic, politics, and many things in IPS. And then the last is very important too, is English. I must fluent in English because the test in vocational school is about English lesson. Okay, next ya. Next is about my project plan from junior high school. The first, I already make coding, like create a simple project like Scratch, making game, simple game, and then making a portfolio website or making LinkedIn, and then make application in Codular. I already make. After that, graphic design in Figma, like mockup, design, or Instagram post, and then poster. After that, I must join competition for my portfolio. I ever join competition 2 times in IDN, 3 times, 3 times in IDN. The first is when 7th grade, I joined the competition of speech English, and then alhamdulillah I first place. Second is competition in Cilegon with my friends, and then in there I joined the creativity robotic competition. After that, the last is last month I joined the futsal competition, and alhamdulillah we in the 3rd place. And then my target is website competition, robotics, hackathon, inshallah, and then creativity. And then the last is portfolio, like I already make the LinkedIn like I show you before, and then my website too ya for project. Okay, so my self development to improve my skills and then myself. The first is discipline in study time. Very important if you want to your future is if you want to reach your future you must discipline. And then diligent reading and research. You must in bahasa is penasaran. You must reading the Google article in website, or you like study in Google. And then sharpening soft skill like communication, leadership, and teamwork. And then the last is study independently and be open to feedback. Like this ya. About my self development. Sir, how much? Okay guys, maybe that's all from me. Sorry if there is some mistakes. Maybe that's all from my presentation. And in the last I say want to say, don't forget to reach your goal. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.